Can you like me? Why nobody likes me? I wanna be liked. What is up, my friends? Welcome back to your average gents. My name is Evan. Before I start this video, if you haven't noticed, this is my video number 100. Wow, such a journey. And here is to 100 more videos. By the way, if you noticed any quality difference in this video, that is because my phone camera just died on me, like literally just before filming. You can see the camera is just black screen, so I'm like, oh man, I'm probably gonna get a new phone or I'm gonna get a legit camera. But anyway, let's get back to today's video. Let's be honest, everyone wants to be liked. It is much easier to obtain what you want if you are a more likable person. I mean, because everyone prefers to be around someone who is more likable. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you my top 5 tips to be more likable. Without further ado, let's begin. Coming at number 1 is to give compliments. I'm gonna let you in on a secret. Are you ready? Everyone is the main character of their own lives, which means everyone cares about themselves much more than other people, and therefore a nice compliment will instantly make you more likable. But here's the catch: the compliment must be genuine. You must genuinely mean it, and the compliment should also not be sexual, or it shouldn't be very generic like, "You look nice." I probably should do a video on how to give compliments, but anyway, let's go on to hack number 2, and that is don't take yourself so seriously. Don't always be so serious or so uptight. You gotta know how to loosen up and how to receive jokes. It also helps if you're humorous or if you have a few jokes at your disposal. Now, you don't have to be the funniest guy in the room, but it definitely will make you more likable if you can be humorous in your conversation. But do take note to never use the other person as the butt of the joke, because that will just make the other person dislike you. The best way to use humor to be more likable is to use self-deprecating jokes, which basically means to make fun of yourself. Not only can you make people laugh, but you also show people that you are a confident badass who is not afraid to joke about yourself. Now on to tip number 3, and that is to be interested. Be genuinely interested in the person you are talking to. Dale Carnegie wrote in his book How to Win Friends and Influence People, to be interesting, you first have to be interested. I mean, everyone has a unique story. You just have to ask questions and be genuinely interested in that person. The more interested you are, not only will they like you more, but they're also likely to share more interesting stories to you. On to hack number 4, and that is to be vulnerable. If your conversations with people are mostly small talks without much emotions, then you wouldn't really get to know the other person on the deeper level. If you want to connect with people and build meaningful relationships, you gotta allow yourself to be vulnerable. If you are excited about a certain topic, don't be afraid to show your enthusiasm. And if you are sad about something, don't be afraid to show your emotions as well. And if you are touched, don't be afraid to shed some man tears. Even I cry sometimes when I watch super sad movies. I'll admit it. The key here is to not just tell everyone how you feel, but show them how you feel. Last but not least, tip number 5, which is probably the most important trait that anyone can have, and that is to have a positive attitude. Here's the deal: everyone likes to be around positive people, because positive people just makes everyone around them happy. So don't be a negative person who is constantly complaining or trash talking other people. To adopt a positive attitude, you just have to see the good in every situation and to see the good in every single person. And practice gratitude. Be grateful of everything that you already have. Plus, having a positive attitude will make yourself a happier person, so why not? Now, before I end, 2 bonus hacks which shouldn't come as a surprise at all, and that is to respect everyone and always be humble. Everyone wants to be respected, and nobody wanna be with around someone who is a show-off and who constantly brags. As simple as that. And that is it for this week's video. If you like this video, make sure to smash that thumbs up button. And if you have any other hacks on how to be likable, please leave it in the comments below. And as always, my friends, I will see you guys next week.